Before we talk about how to stretch the triceps, let's look at where it's located. The tricep goes from the point of the elbow along the back part of the front leg up to the top of the shoulder blade. To stretch the triceps, it's easiest to do so with the dog comfortably laying on its side and relaxed. Notice in this case the physiotherapist is sitting along the back side of the dog. You could sit on either the back or the front side of the dog, whatever you feel more comfortable with. The important part is that she is using her right hand to hold the dog's paw along the radius, somewhere close to the wrist joint, and that hand guides the paw forward while her left hand is gently pushing on the point of the elbow to make sure that that elbow is straightened out. This forces the triceps muscle to be stretched. She is going to hold that stretch for 15-20 seconds and repeat that 2 to 3 times. A stretch should take the pet to the limit of their comfort zone, but still be within the comfort zone. If the dog starts to jump around and get a little antsy and pull away from you, it's because the stretch is too hard and you need to back off a bit.